Um, how do we prepare? Well, una sa lahat, I just want to say thank you, of course. We keep saying thank you again, but to Coach Erwin Tagle. Napakagaling niya. He's really an actor's coach. He really helped us out throughout this whole process. Well, we didn't have as much time as we wanted pagdating sa training, pero masaya kami dahil tinulungan niya kami. He was there throughout the whole process. I feel like we were, towards your question po na how did we prepare, marami po kami mga training days. We had a lot of training and it didn't stop just sa studio niya. It also happened on set. May mga rest days po kami pero kailangan pa rin mag-training sa mga araw na yun. And I think more than anything, it was really, ang pinaka-importante para sa amin was to mentally and physically prepare ourselves for this whole challenge, which was Roja.
So aside from the martial arts, yung jiu-jitsu, na training, tsaka our knees, or yung holding of a gun and how to fire it, one of the most challenging things for me was really the endurance. And being sure that I was ready to go through those scenes over and over again. Kasi ilang takes yan, ilang angulo. First time ko gawin din to eh. I think Kyle has some action scenes already na sinunod niya before. Pero ako kasi first time ko talaga na gumawa ng serye na yun talaga yung focus. So I really had to make sure na my body was prepared and it really took a lot. Kasi hindi biro yung minsan makakall ka tapos hindi mo alam ganun pala kalaki yung action scene. So you really have to make sure that you're not running out of breath and you're ready for the next scene. Tsaka yun, kasi katulad ng sinabi ni Direk, si Direk Raymond kanina na palaging tension yung hinahanap.
And prone to injury.
Prone to injury. Marami rin kaming naging maliliit na battle scars dito in a good way. Kasi part talaga ng characters namin.
Yeah, just for the audiences to know, no? Direk, wala pong stunt double dito. Wala. Sila mismo talaga gumagawa ng mga...
Meron naman
si Direk. May mga parts lang na...
Si Iggy Boy daw eh. May kailangan is Iggy Boy here rin? Oh, tumarit siya sa party si Iggy Boy. Okay.
90% sila yung nag-perform talaga. And kung may stunts man, special shot.
Super special.
For example, yung mga drone shots na hindi na makailangan ng artista talaga. So, better double.
Grabe yung effort na ginagawa din. And I have to say, ang ganda nung Dreamscape synergy. We have seen the mentoring with Sir Coco Martin and also Jay Cuenca. Ang galing ng mentoring. Now, he has a question, si Sir Alan, for Mai. The question is, this is your comeback acting project. Okay, congratulations, Mai.
Yes.
Saan ka pinaka-excited sa paggawa ng action teleserye na ito? And memorable experiences behind the scenes mo sa paggawa nito?
Sobrang, ano yung pinaka-excited? Pinaka-excited po talaga ako yung mga action scenes po. Kasi sobrang fan talaga ako ng mga action movies. At matagal ko na po talagang pinapangarap yung action po na role. Kaya po yung enough po na time to learn po my craft po sa acting ay sobrang perfect timing po. Kasi nung binigay po nila sa akin ito, feel ko talaga, ito yung handa ako talaga na may apply ko po ano yung natutunan ko po sa acting. At ang binigay pa sa akin, thank you po Dreamscape, Netflix at ABS-CBN. Kasi matagal ko na talaga siyang pinapangarap. Kaya thank you sa oportunidad nito. Sana po ay abangan niyo po ang aking mga action skills. Okay. Relax. Kasi hindi po pinapakita. Pero, the best.
Okay. Ang dami naman nakuha doon, Maiman. Maraming salamat, pre.
Thank you, pre.
But congratulations, dreams do come true.
Yes,
and
po.
thank you for saying yes to this project as
Opo
well.
naman. Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Mai. Questions from social media directed now to Miss LP. May scene ka dito na sinasabunutan at sinasampal siya si Presuman. How was doing that scene with her and kamusta na makatrabaho siya ulit?
Hindi, actually sila nag-request na tutuhanan.
Si Yasi po?
Yeah, si Yasi nag-request. Sabi niya sa akin, Tita, please, matawag na sa akin. Please, talaga saktan mo ako.
Wow!
Ayaw niya sabihin kasi, siyempre humble si...
Hindi ako nag-request.
Siya ang nag-request.
Ako hindi nag-request.
Hindi ka nag-request.
Pero damay hindi sinabi. Nasaktan tuloy. Pero at least nakuha yung totoong emosyon.
Oo.
Yeah, but last time you worked with Yasi was?
Ang
Provinciano, yes! Ito ang pabalik, Dreamscape, ang galing. Miss Janice de Belen, nakwento ni Cal sa isang interview kung gaano kayo naging close in shooting this series or taping this series. Kamusta yung bond nyo ngayon and how is it working with him?
Actually, initially, I was scared because Kyle is 22. Man, naman ako sino ako. Naman niya ako kilala.
Everyone knows who you are.
I see him in parties and he's always nice enough to greet me. Pero syempre, when you're working together, iba eh. I didn't know if I would connect to him. I didn't know if I would have to make so much effort just to be able to connect to him. Kasi yung relationship namin dito, syempre, dapat close. Dapat may, yung super close. So, yun yung initial fear ko. But in fairness to him, he was the one who really made an effort.
Kita-dramdam siya. Kita-dramdam siya.
Oo, diba? Tsaka parang baby ko na to. So, pagka umaga, pag nakikita ko yan, kiss. Kiss.
Automatic na.
Oo, mapagbigay na.
So cute. Hanggang ngayon, nag-translate, oh. Ang cute. Baby. Thank you for answering that question, Ms. Janice. J of Certified Kapamilya asks Sir Joel Torre, muli niyo pong makatrabaho si Kylie Chai sa isang teleserye. Sa Kapamilya React ay na-share po niya yung experience niya working with you with a crying scene. Ito ang sinabi ni Kyle. And I quote, grabe naman tong question na to. Sobra akong kinilig noong araw na yon kasi sinabihan ako ni Tito Joel pagkatapos ng eksena, ang galing naman pala ni Moises eh. Ang galing pala ng anak ko eh. Simula noon, Tito Joel always makes sure that I know what he's proud of me. Can you share with us kung ano po yung nakita niyo kay Kyle bilang aktor at ano po yung sa tingin niyo ang kaya pa niyang i-accomplish? Mang MMK pala yung question na ito.
Kaya nga eh. Baka iiyak ako dito.
Kaya nga.
The seriousness, the thing, ang focus niya, tsaka yung commitment, no? It's all about commitment and the consistency. Sabi ko nga kay Kyle, hindi to sprint dun sa Pamilya Sagrado. We're running a marathon. We're doing a teleserye, hindi yung pang madalian lang. We were on for 6 months, was it though? So tuloy-tuloy, so wag kang bibitaw. And he did. And he won the Best Actor. Oh, and I had nothing to do with it. But we worked hard together. And dito, medyo wala kaming masyadong eksena. But I could see these guys, they're very serious about it. Which I really like among the young actors who had the same attitude, the same sa trabaho. So it's very promising na we're leaving it to the next generation. Kami medyo parelax-relax na lang eh. I thought nung relax nga ako dito sa Roa kasi akala ko nasa na kami sa resort, sa beach, tatay, wala, may PTSD ako. So trabaho talaga. But we love our job. And so do they. So yun ang pinaka-importante sa akin. Mahalin mo trabaho mo. Sabi nga ni Vic Sanayan, mahalin mo ang trabaho mo, Joel. Love your work and your work will love you back. And it translates on screen. Thank you.
Thank you. Everyone's professional. Kyle, you wanna say something?
Sobrang na-touch naman ako doon. Kulit ako, dalawang tanong pa yung tungkol sa akin.
Kaya nga eh. Birthday mo ba?
Kaya nga eh. Hindi, dito Joel has been someone na talagang hinahangaan ko dito sa industry na ito. One of the most giving, not just actors, but people you will ever meet in your life. Sorry. But, gutom ka na. Gutom na ba ako? Hindi, sobrang hanganga ako kay Tito Joel because, he's one of the greatest actors in the Philippines. We can all agree to that. Oro Plata Mata pa lang, di ba? Alam na natin. Tito Joel Torre na yan. And for him to say yes to a project like this, be able to teach us in the process and be honest with everything that he's felt towards us, talaga nagpapasalamat lang kami. We just love to learn from him. He's a pioneer for what he does. And sobrang thank you, Day. I love you so much. Ano mo yan?
Actually, you guys are so lucky you got icons in this cast. Grabe, napakahusay ng mga aktor at actress na kasama dito sa Roja and even in the world of La Playa Roja. Ang galing. Thank you so much to all of our actors and actresses. Now, let's head on to Sir Raymond Bagatsing. with this question. Tell us about your dynamics with Lorna and Donnie, since family mo sila in the series. How is it working alongside respected veterans such as yourself, LT, Janice, and Joel?
Oh, it's a great honor for me to be working with them, all of them. It's a given. Janice, Joel, Miss LT, you know, they're greats in the industry, as Kyle said. The honor is deep, really deep. I mean, actually while nasa shooting kami, pag ako nakabalik na sa hotel ko, I'm watching their movies. Sa YouTube, I watched your movies, and Joel Torres' movie, I watched Oro Plata Mata. I checked out Donnie's work, I checked out Kyle's work. I actually checked out almost every cast work kasi nung umpisa, I have no time to really bond with them kasi nasa character ko eh. And I'm like, ang daming cast. 40, how will I get to know them? So I watched each and every scene. I would tell Harvey, hey Harvey, I watched one of your scenes and I really enjoyed your intensity and all that. And I even know most of their birthdays for some reason. So yes, I checked them out in Google. Oh, yung birthday niya ganito. Oh, Sagittarius siya.
Baka mag-expect yung cast members nyo pag birthday nila, wala kayong regalo.
Bigla ko nakalimutan.
Nasabi niya yan.
Ano nga pala yung birthday nyo? Yeah, but I'm really very honored. Yung dynamics, I want to talk about dynamics with Lorna because pinanonood ko siya and I'm like, grabe itong actress na to. Very truthful. She did a movie, hindi ko lang maalala yung pangalan, pero hindi siya masyadong sasalita. Makapal pa yung kilay niya nun. Pero cute, maganda siya. At maganda talaga siya. At sobrang hindi siya nagsasalita. Ang lakas ng gusto niyang ipahiwatig. So I was blown away. I'm like, oh my God, I have to take this away from my mind para lang makapag-eksena ako sa kanila ng maayos. Same with Janice. You know, Janice is such a legend also. And Joel, you know, actually I won an award from a scene with Joel with Verludias Abaya, and I give it to Joel for that scene. He's very quiet, but he looked at me and he said, let's do this scene, and it worked, and we were both crying. So I know I'm taking so much time, but I'm in awe of all of them. And then Donnie and Kyle, of course, at first, syempre naiilang sila sa akin. I have that tendency na when I'm on a set, medyo I really, hindi ako makapaglaro with others hanggang hindi ko nakukuha yung character ko, hindi ko naiintindihan. So alam ko, nakatingin na sila sa akin, medyo seryoso to, seryoso. But at the same time, I like it kasi nakita nila talaga yung character na meet nila, hindi nila ako nami-meet. Kunti ba kaya magtawanan na lang kami pag nakilala nila ako ng gusto eh. You know? So, I'm trying to keep my personal self away kasi baka matuwa na sila ng matuwa, di ba? But I saw in their eyes, I know, please, you know, indulge me, ang lalalim nila. Ang lalalim ng pakiramdam nila, ang lalalim ng, with the word, yung pag-arok nila sa mga emosyon. Si Donnie is, he stays in his corner, and he really feels everything. I can feel him, he can feel me. And sa akin, ang habol ko, mag-connect na tayo sa mata. Magkakilala tayo sa mata kayo sa true character. I'll get to know you, you'll get to know me. And si Kyle, ganun din, malalim din tumingin and observe. And I'm very happy to see that kind of connection. I'm obsessed with that kind of connection. So, I'm honored to be here with everybody. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, thank you. Actually, it sets the tone. Taking your personality out of the scene first para malagay mo